I can't even see. I think it is. You feel better?
Yeah.
Happy Sunday. So I forgot to record this morning. And none of y'all said nothing. Didn't nobody say, hey, get the morning vlog or nothing. Y'all, it's
But anyways, we are heading out. This is part 2 of the weekend vlog. I'm gonna post this today. We're doing a festival, a food truck festival, and then
just outside. It's nice weather, it's beautiful. We look cute, we smell like roses. Might as well be outside. Might as well. But yeah, when we get to where we're gonna get to, I'll come back and show y'all what we're gonna be doing today.
I just bought some glasses, y'all. I think they're cute. That's why
I had to come back to show y'all. But we are officially heading to our festival area now, and then we're trying to find something to drink. I really want like an alcoholic beverage. I know it's Sunday and I probably shouldn't, but maybe I should. So, you know, I am. And it's just so hot, and every place has a line, so it just depends on what I'm going to decide on and what I'm going to stand for. But we'll see.
I got your butt.
You got me scratching my butt?
No.
My back, okay?
It was her back.
Bottom of my back.
I'm definitely keeping that on there.
Bottom of my butt, okay?
Which is the best kind? Huh? You got what?
Strawberry and caramel.
We really cannot find nothing to eat. I feel like we've been walking for 11 years. I've drunk all my drink. I'm nice and tipsy. I just need to eat something now. And I don't want no seafood because... Whose foot? I don't want no seafood because I don't like having seafood outside at trunks when it's hot and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I'm trying to decide and I'll let you guys know. I've walked just about every which way you can walk. Talk about getting your steps in, okay? Listen. But yeah, when we find out our food, we'll definitely come back, okay? You want to try this?
Y'all want to be edible?
Yeah.
Hot, y'all. Literally hot. We gotta... Taco Bros, y'all, because it's just so hot. We're about to head to get some oysters and then we're gonna head home so I can do some editing for y'all and post, but we've had a good day. After we get this oyster basket for her, we're going to go eat in the car because it's too hot out here. Y'all, Taco Bros, 10-10. What about you? Was it good? You're in the camera.
Oh, yeah. Wow, good. It wouldn't like. That's good, yeah. I thought you were talking to the people.
It's so hot, y'all. I had to take my hair out. It was a ponytail, but it was just making me hotter or something. I don't know.
And then also, what the hell? What do you mean by that?
It was making me hotter. It was making me hotter.
I took my hair out.
But anyways, you guys, so we are about to head home because it's hot as fuck, and we have done our hour or so out here. We've ate, we got a little souvenir, we did everything. So we finna head back to the house and just and then we do plan on doing one more activity with you guys that I'm going to make as the part 3. So this is what you guys will see up until now, and then tomorrow I'll post, or probably later tonight I'll post the other part 3. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, so stay tuned if you guys want to see part 3, and then make sure you guys catch up to part 1. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media. I do have it in the bio. I'm sorry, not the bio. God damn it. I got it in the description. I'll put it right here on the screen as well. I'll at your boy. See y'all when we see y'all.